let's continue with our accounts part. So in the last session, we were discussing about the depreciation, and I think we have done few question based on depreciation as well. Let me just a minute. Okay, so I think we have done this question in the last class. A van was purchased on 1st April 2016.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We finished.
We finished this, and okay, we have also done the solution. Okay, have we done this question?
Yes, sir.
This is also done. Okay,
Yes.
this one. On 1st April 2015, the A Limited purchased a machinery for 6,50,000.
No, sir. 8%, 1 million.
Okay. Okay, just a minute. All right, so we will start our class with this question. On 1st January 2016, A Limited purchased a machine for rupees 2,80,000 and spent 30,000 on its installation. On 1st July 2016, an additional machinery costing 1 lakh was purchased. On 1st July 2018, the machine purchased on 1st January 2016 was sold for rupees 1,43,000, and on the same date, a new machine was purchased at a cost of rupees 2 lakh. Show the machinery account for the first 3 calendar years after charging depreciation at 5% by the straight line method. All right, Samiksha, Halima, Peer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So prepare the machinery account, everyone, and start doing the question. So
Okay,
Peer,
sir.
have you attended the last class?
No, sir.
And why didn't you attend the last class?
Sir, I was sick, sir.
And because you were sick and you missed the last session, I don't think you won't be. I don't think that you will be able to understand this chapter now. Okay, no problem. Let's just try to understand. Then I think we'll have to arrange a separate class for this chapter for you.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes, Samiksha.
sir, what is the closing date of every year?
31st March will be the closing date, no?
31st March only. Okay. Sir, can you show the question once? I did not take the screenshot.
Yeah, just a minute. Okay. Done. Samiksha, Halima.
Almost, sir. Doing.
Done, everyone.
So the third one, last balancing.
You have to prepare the account for how many years? For 3 years, no? From 15, 16, 16, 17,
Yes, sir.
and
3
17,
years. So
18.
the third one I'm doing.
Halima,
Yes,
done?
I'm doing.
All right, let me check the progress. Just a minute. Okay, so on 1st January 2016, we are buying a machinery for rupees 3,10,000, right? So therefore, we have debited this in the machinery account. Peer, Peer, are you there? Peer, Peer, are you there?
Sir,
Yes.
I have a doubt.
Mhm,
How do we take it as 3/12? Because first I took as 3/12, then I was like, it's 31st March, right? So
mhm.
then it will be the ending. So we'll take it as 4, right? Because if it
From
was from
okay,
January.
just count, just calculate the month. From 1st January to 31st January, it is 1 month. From
Yes, sir.
January, then February, 1 month again. Then March, complete March, 1 month again. So there are 3 months only, no?
Yes, sir. But 2016 to 2017, right?
No, 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 no. See, if the transaction is given on 1st January 2016, so I'm considering that we have to prepare the account starting from this year, from the year 2000. Sorry. We are preparing the account for the 2015-16,
15 to 16, and then
then
16 to 17.
16-17, then 17-18. So for these 3 years, we have to prepare the account. So just calculate for if we are preparing the account for the
But
2015-16,
sir,
that means we are buying this machinery at the end of the year. At
yes, sir.
the that means we have 3 months left in this year. So we will charge the depreciation for 3 months only.
But sir, we have another buying another machine for on 1st July 2018. So, but we are only asked to do 3 years.
Mhm.
So then we are not doing 2018 2019. So then we
Okay.
can't record that. So we should. So then how will we do that?
Okay, so I think
So if we start
okay.
from 2016, then we can do
Okay,
the
okay, okay.
third record.
So in this question, I think we should have consider the accounting year from the 1st January till 31st December only. No,
Yes, sir.
we should have taken the accounting year as the 1st January till December.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. You have prepared the account by considering April to January, April to March as the accounting year.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Then prepare the account for 4 years. Then also prepare for the 18-19.
Okay,
All
sir.
right. Okay. So first machinery was bought on 1st January 2016. So that means if we are following the April to March as accounting year, so this will be debited by 3,10,000 machinery account and depreciation will be charged for 3 months only. So depreciation for 3 months will be how much? 3,875 rupees. 3,875. And now the balancing figure, the balance will be minus 3,10,000. The balance will be 3,06,125. Okay. Now 3,10,000 here and 3,10,000 will be here. Now we will carry forward this balance to the next year. So next year it will be 306,125, and we have bought a new machinery that year. So we will be charging depreciation on the first machinery first of all, and on the first machinery the depreciation will be, let me calculate, on 3,10,000 depreciation will be 5%, so that means 15,500 will be the depreciation on first machinery, 15,500. And on the second machinery depreciation will be charged on 1 lakh rupees for how many months? 9 months
9 months.
into 5%. So it will be how much, Samiksha? 5% of 1 lakh will be 5,000, and 5,000 multiply, sorry, 5,000 multiply by 9 divided by 12, we will get
3750.
3750. So 3750, just a minute, let me erase this. So collective value of depreciation is 18,750. Now we will find out the balance ED. So balance for the first machinery will be 3,61,225 minus 15,500. It will be 296,225. 296,225. For the second machinery, 1 lakh minus 3,750. So it will be 96,250. 96,250. We will add both these values plus
Sir,
290. Yes.
sir, isn't the depreciation of machine 1 15,000?
Yes.
So, then the balance will be 3,21,125.
Okay. Depreciation for the first machine. Actually, it was. I'm sorry. I think the depreciation for the first machinery was not 15,000. It should be 15,500. No.
Yes, sir. That's why I
Yeah,
got confused.
So 15,500 plus we will add 3,750. 15,500 plus 3,750. We'll get 19,250.
1925.
So one nine two five zero. Okay, now we will find out the closing balance for both the machineries. 306,125 minus 15,500. We will get 29625. That is correct. And 96,250. So 96,250 plus 290,625. We will get 386,875.
Yes.
Okay, now we will carry forward this to the next year. So the machine 1 is 290,625. Machine 2 having closing value 9625. 96250. Collective values 386,875. Okay, now we will chart depreciation on both the machine again. So 15,500 for the first machinery and 5,000 for the second machinery. And we will find out the balance. 290,625 minus 15,500 So 275,125. 275,125. And for the second machinery, it will be how much? 91,250. 91,250. Okay. Now we will add both these values plus 91250. We will get 366,375. 366,375. Again, we will carry forward this 366,375 as the opening balance for the next year. Okay. And in the July 2018 as well, we are buying a machinery, Samiksha.
Yes, sir. We are selling and buying.
We are selling and buying.
Yes, sir. At a loss.
So on 1st July, what is happening? We are buying a machinery first of all. So to bank, we are buying machinery for how much?
2 lakh.
4 lakh. Okay.
2 lakh.
2 lakhs. Okay. Okay. And we are selling the machinery as well
Yeah.
by bank. Just- So by bank, it will be how much?
1,43,000.
1,43,000. And depreciation on this machine was? Sorry?
The depreciation on the machine, the new
Yeah,
machine?
the machine first. The machine first we are selling, no?
Yes, sir.
So tell me the depreciation on the
It
first one.
was 3,875.
Okay, and the loss? Profit and loss account will be
1,67,000.
1,67,000. Okay, now we will find out the depreciation on the remaining machinery. Let me erase this. So depreciation is by, we will charge depreciation on the second machinery, machinery 2, and the machinery 3rd. So on machinery 2, we will charge depreciation by 5,000.
5,000.
And for the second machinery, depreciation will be on 2 lakh at the rate 5% for 9 months only, right?
Yes, sir.
9 by 12. Tell me.
$7,500.
Yes, 7,500. So 7,500 depreciation. So total depreciation will be 12,500.
12,500.
Okay. Now we will find out the closing balance by balance CD, and balance CD will be calculated for machine 2 and machine 3 only. Okay, can you tell me, Samiksha, balancing figure for the machine 2 and machine 3? 91,250 minus 5,000, it will be 86,250, right?
Yes, sir.
86,250 for the machine second.
Yes, sir.
86,250.
86250.
Okay, and for the next machinery, the machinery we have bought on 1st July, 2 lakh. So it will be 1 lakh,
1,92,500.
1,92,500. So we will add this. It will be 1,92,000, 1,92,500 plus 86,250. So the total value will be 278,750.
Yes, sir.
278,750. Done. Now you can total both the sides. Halima, you want to ask anything? Any doubt?
Sir,
Question
have
is-
we got depreciation for that first machine when we sold it in last year?
On the first machinery which was sold on 1st July 2018.
Yes,
You're,
that how
you're
we
talk,
so
how we calculated the value of depreciation?
yes, and why is not adding that balance?
Why it is not added in the balance? See, we have
I
the
mean
closing.
there we did loss profit earlier up there, so how we did that?
How loss and profit is calculated?
Yes, those calculations.
Okay, let me show you. See, the closing balance, just a minute. The opening balance of machine, opening balance for machine 1 we are talking about, no? So opening balance of machine in the year 2018. Can you tell me the opening balance for the machine 1? It was 2,75,125.
Yes.
2,75,125. All right. Now see, this machinery is being sold on July, 1st July. That means when you will, and first of all, you are selling this machinery for how much? You are selling this machinery for 1,43,000. But when you will sell this machinery, you will have to charge the depreciation till the machinery is held by the entity. So we are selling the machinery in the month of July. That means in the year 2018, we have held the machinery in the month of April. We have the machinery in the month of May. And in the month of June as well, we had the machinery. So that basically means we have used the machinery for 3 months. Therefore, we will have to charge the depreciation for 3 months. So after charging depreciation 275, 125, on this we will charge depreciation at the rate 5%. For how many months? We will be charging depreciation for 3 months. So 3 by 12. So depreciation for this period will be how much? Depreciation for this period will be 3875. Right, Halima?
Sir, we are selling it on first. Oh, yes, I got it.
You got it now?
Okay.
So
Then we'll calculate all this.
yeah, so 38,750 is the depreciation. After charging depreciation, the closing balance is how much? Closing balance will be whatever we will basically 3875 will be reduced from 2,75,125. So after reducing whatever be the value here, you will reduce the price at which this machinery was sold. It was sold at rupees 1,43,000, right? So when you reduce 1,43,000 from this amount, you will get the loss of 1,67,000. This is how we have calculated the loss. So first of all, you will have to find out the closing balance at the time of sale after charging depreciation. All right, Halima, is this clear now?
Sir, how we got that 1,43,000?
Well, this is given in question, Halima. See, this is given in the question. Read the 4th line. Machine was purchased on 1st January 2016, was sold for
Yes,
rupees
I
1
got
lakh.
it now.
Okay.
Okay,
And
understood.
based on this, we will calculate the profit and loss.
Okay, with this amount.
Yes. Any doubt?
Clear.
Okay, I think the question is taking too long. Just a minute. Okay, so this is the question. Samisha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So please take the screenshot of this question. On 1st April 2015, a company bought a plant and machinery costing 1,20,000. It is estimated that its working life is 10 years, at the end of which it will fetch 50,000. So this is the residual value of the machine is also given in the question, 50,000. Additions are made on 1st April 2016 to the value of 80,000. So we have further spent 80,000. Sorry, we have purchased one more machinery on April 2016. The residual value of this machinery was 10,000. And more addition on was made on 1st October 2017. All right. And the breakup value basically mean the residual value. Residual value in this case is 2000. Working life is 20 years for both the machinery that have been that is bought. So, and other than this, we have to prepare the plant and machinery account for first 4 years. And if the depreciation is written off according to straight line method. So we have to follow the same method, straight line method. And according to the straight line method, we need to prepare the machinery account. Is the question clear, Samiksha, Halima? Is
Yes, sir.
question clear to both of you? Halima, is question clear to you as well?
Sir, there is 20 rupees and that 20 separate near that bracket breakup value.
20 rupees. Okay. More additions.
That's
Was
2000.
that's
Same.
20. Just a minute. Let me correct this. This should be 20,000. By mistake, I have written just 2,000. Let me correct this. This is actually, yeah. All right. So now this is 20,000, right? Halima, is this clear now?
Yes,
So this is 20,000.
20,000.
This residual value of this machinery is 2,000. The working life is 20 years, and we have to prepare the plant and machinery for the 4 years. All right.
Okay.
So
Yes.
will you be able to solve this question, Samiksha?
Yes,
You're
sir.
finding anything
Yes,
difficult in
sir.
the question?
No doubts. No difficulty.
All right. So guys, we won't be solving any other question in today's session. I'm giving you this question as homework, and because the questions are taking too long, so please do this as your homework. All right. So this is it for today's class. We will be discussing 1 or 2 more questions on the straight line method in the next class. After that, we will be starting the written down value method, and possibly in the next class we will start that method. All right, Samiksha, Halima.
Sir, for me,
Okay.
you'll take a
Yes.
separate class.
Peer, you will have to ask Nishkash about the extra class. Probably he will arrange a separate class at 6 o'clock and 6 o'clock India time.
Okay, sir.
Getting my point? You need to
Yes, sir.
talk to Nishkash, ask him to arrange a separate class for you at 6 o'clock. Or
Okay, sir.
else we can do one more thing. When I'll start the same chapter in some other batch, I will ask you to join that batch.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you can right now you can do 2 things. Either wait for the other batch to start this chapter, or else if you want to cover the portion that you have left, either you can ask for the recording from the Nishkash, number 1. You can also ask him to arrange a separate class for you at 6 o'clock.
Sir, I'll ask, and if I get the answer, then I'll inform you, sir.
Okay, all right.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
guys, thank you for attending the class. This is it for today. We will be doing written down value method from next class onwards. Okay. And please do this question as your homework. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Jazakallah.